What is the value of x given that you have 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equals 12? Then let's have it to be solution. So from here we have 3 to the power of x, open parenthesis, this divided by this will be 1, plus 3 to the power of x divided by this will be 1, equals 12. So from here we have 3 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 will give us 2. This will be equals 12. So from here, let's divide through by 2. So we are going to have, this will cancel out. We have 3 to the power of x equals 12 divided by 2. This will give us 6. Then from here, let us introduce log to both sides of this expression. So we are going to have log 3 to the power of x equals log 6. So when we have log p to the power of m equals m times log p. So we have x times log 3 equals log 6. So from here, dividing through by log 3, this, we cancel out this. We have x equals log 6 over log 3. Then let us recall we can have 6 as the product of 3 times 2. So we have x equals log, open parenthesis, 3 times 2, close the parenthesis, over log 3. Then when we have log a times b, always equals as log a plus log b. So we have x equals log 3 plus log 2 over log 3. Then when we have a parameter p plus n over n, this equals p over n plus m over n. So from here we have x equals log 3 over log 3 plus log 2 over log 3. So we have x, log 3 divided by log 3 will be 1 plus log 2 over log 3. Then when we have log a over log b equals log a in base b, so therefore x will be 1 plus log 2 in base 3. And this is the same thing as what we have in the previous, as log 6 in base 3. So from here, these are the final value for the x. This one is the simplest form, and we also have this one. So to check, remember we have 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equals 12.